Are you...
You're under arrest.
Okay. For
No.
what? Why are you arresting me? Is your...
Yeah. You know what for. Right? Welcome to America.
Wow.
This is
Please
not...
don't-
This isn't... Don't resist.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are.
This is not even my car. I did not...
Lock this.
This is crazy. I hope your camera is on.
Oh, it's on.
Yeah.
On July 18th, 2025, in Ocean Ridge, Florida, a traffic stop for an expired registration tag ended in a physical arrest after the driver refused to produce a single document for nearly 6.5 minutes. The stop had clear legal footing from the start. An expired tag violates Florida Statutes Section 3, 16.605. That gives an officer reasonable articulable suspicion to initiate a stop, as the Supreme Court required in Delaware versus Prouse, 1979. Once a stop is lawful, Florida Statute Section 322.15 applies without exception. Every licensed driver must carry their license and display it upon demand of a law enforcement officer. That language is unambiguous, and non-compliance escalates quickly.
Anyway, she could back out.
Just a minute.
Okay, yeah.
Also employed an 18G company out of Dearborn. Details for January 25th.
10-4. How you doing? Yes, I'm Officer Gallucci with the town of Ocean Ridge. The reason why I'm pulling you over is your tag is expired. I'll need your license, registration, and insurance, please.
Why are you pulling me over?
Because your tag is expired.
Okay.
Okay?
Am I breaking the law?
Yes, your tag is
Am I starting
expired.
Any crime?
Yes, your tag is
Do you
expired.
have a supervisor?
I am the supervisor right
Do you
now.
have
So I'll
another
need your license.
supervisor?
You have a choice, okay? And I'm going to explain this to you really probably once or twice to you, okay? I will call my supervisor, but if you fail to produce your
You
information...
call your supervisor. I'm not failing to do anything. I'm asking for you.
No, yes, you are.
No, I'm asking for
It's
your
upon
supervisor.
demand.
I'm demanding your supervisor.
No, you don't get to demand my
You're a public
supervisor.
servant.
You wait. Because
You serve the public.
Yes,
I didn't cause any crime. I didn't hurt
509.
anybody. I'm not...
526, would you 56 me here? Now I need your license, please.
I'm not doing anything commercially. So...
Your tag is expired. Come here, I'll show you.
No.
It's right here.
Okay.
Stay here, don't move. So is this your Jeep?
It is not.
Okay, I already know that.
Right. So... You
It's
asked
still a
me-
lawful stop.
It's lawful?
It's a lawful stop. It's a legal stop.
It's illegal. Is
It's
it legal
le-
or lawful? Do
It's
you know the
legal, and
difference?
I'm not going to argue with
I'm
you.
not arguing, sir. I'm asking you a
I'm
question. Do
asking you
know
for your
the difference?
driver's license. You're
And I'm
driving your
asking you, do
vehicle
you
in the
know the
state of
difference?
Florida, and
I'm
you are...
traveling. I'm
Right.
traveling.
So you're going to play that game.
No, I'm not playing any
Oh,
game.
yeah.
This is my freedom we're talking about
yeah,
here.
it is. And
And
sure,
we're talking about you
my
as a
sergeant's on his
servant.
way, and
We're
you know,
talking about you as a
my
public servant.
my sergeant's on the way, and you can talk
Okay,
to
and
him.
we can talk to him.
Yeah,
And I hope you know.
I hope
your
you
job
know.
and what you're doing.
I hope I do too.
Okay.
I hope you know too. Her tag is expired, and she won't produce her driver's license, registration, or insurance.
Okay.
She's traveling.
Okay.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Good. How you doing?
I'm doing
good.
great.
So I'm the day shift
Now-
supervisor.
Hi.
This officer has conducted a lawful traffic stop.
Is it lawful or illegal?
It's a lawful traffic stop.
It is. And
yes.
what law am I
Well,
am I breaking?
apparently you're
What law is that?
Okay. Can we see your license and registration, please?
That has nothing
Okay,
to do with
10:15.
me because
The driver's defense was the traveling theory, the claim that operating a vehicle is a constitutionally protected right, exempt from licensing requirements. This argument has been litigated in every federal circuit. It has been rejected in every federal circuit, without a single exception. The 10th Circuit addressed this in United States versus Hart. The 9th Circuit reached the same conclusion in United States versus Ogles. Florida courts are fully aligned. The right to travel is real. The right to drive without a license on public roads is not. The Fifth Amendment does not help either. The self-incrimination clause protects testimonial disclosures. Handing over a driver's license is not testimonial. The Supreme Court settled this in Hiibel v. 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada, 2004. Identification during a lawful detention does not trigger Fifth Amendment protections. The admission that locked in the most serious charge came during processing, when she stated she had no driver's license. Under Florida Statutes Section 322.03, every operator must be licensed. Under Florida Statutes Section 322.34, driving while suspended is a criminal offense. Physical resistance during handcuffing added a third charge. Resisting an officer without violence. Under Florida Statute Section 843.02, Florida courts have held that passive noncompliance during restraint satisfies this offense. Obstruction alone is enough. No physical strike is required. The force used is evaluated under Graham v. Connor, 1989. Reasonableness is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. Given sustained refusal and active resistance during handcuffing, soft, empty hand control was proportional and within constitutional limits. The 14th Amendment requires that a person be informed of the basis for their arrest. Officers stated the reason clearly and repeatedly throughout this stop. No due process issue is visible here. This driver was given multiple opportunities to comply before the point of arrest.
Are you...
You're under arrest.
Okay. For
No.
what? Why are you arresting me? Is your...
Yeah. You know what for. Right? Welcome to America.
Wow.
This is
Please
not,
don't-
this isn't,
Don't resist.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are.
This is not even my car. I did not...
lock this.
This is crazy. I hope your camera is on.
Oh, it's on.
Yeah.
Hop in.
Yeah, I'm down here. So I'm on this way late.
Come on out. Step in.
What is this place?
The Ocean Ridge Police Department.
This is kidnapped.
Step into the cell. Step into the
Why-
cell.
Why step into there? Why are you putting me in here?
Why am I putting you in here?
Yes.
Why do you think I'm putting you in here?
Why are you putting me in here? This is absurd.
Turn around.
Wow. This is absurd.
What you're gonna do is provide your driver's license
I don't have a driver's
or an
license.
ID.
You didn't ask for an ID. You said driver's license or registration. You did not ask for an ID.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll see that on camera, so.
Face the wall.
Can someone come in here to speak with me?
Everything on you I need to know about.
Officer Glues receives a B. The stop was legally justified. His patience under sustained provocation was genuine, and calling a supervisor before escalating reflects sound judgment. A sharper pivot in tone earlier in the encounter might have resolved this short of arrest, but that is a minor note. The day shift supervisor receives a B+. He arrived promptly, confirmed the stop's lawfulness without inflaming the situation, and correctly declined to engage the legal versus lawful argument. A direct appeal to the driver before announcing arrest would have rounded out an already strong supervisory response. The driver receives a D. She operated a vehicle without a valid license, refused a lawful identification demand throughout the stop, invoked a theory with no judicial support, and admitted the fact that confirmed her most serious charge. Every charge she faces traces directly to her own decisions. Every decision this driver made increased her legal exposure. The pattern is consistent, and it points to 5 concrete lessons grounded in Florida statute and federal case law. These lessons apply to anyone who ends up on the wrong side of a traffic stop, regardless of the state. They are drawn directly from what happened on camera and from the law that governs it. Lesson 1. The traveling theory will not protect you in any American court. It has been rejected across every federal circuit. Invoking it during a traffic stop does not create a legal defense. It creates a confrontation, and it signals that the stop will not resolve quickly. Lesson 2. If you do not have a valid license, say so immediately. Honesty at the start gives officers something to work with. Refusal converts a civil infraction into criminal charges. The admission that would have helped at minute 0 became the most damaging statement by minute 5. Lesson 3. Requesting a supervisor is a right, but it does not pause lawful commands. Officers are not required to suspend a demand while waiting for backup. Refusing to comply in the interim is continued non-compliance, and it is treated accordingly by law. Lesson 4. Passive resistance is still resistance under Florida Statute Section 843.02. Pulling away during handcuffing or refusing to submit to lawful restraint satisfies the charge without any violence. This footage shows exactly how quickly that charge attaches. Lesson 5. The camera records everything. The driver asked whether the body cam was on. It was. Her admission that she had no license, captured on that recording, became probable cause for a criminal charge. Body cam footage is a two-way record. Assume it is always running. 3 charges, all traceable to one decision at the beginning of this stop. The final court outcome is not yet known, but the footage and the driver's own admissions provide a clear and audible record of the probable cause supporting each charge. If this breakdown was useful, subscribe to our channel and drop a comment below with the interaction or legal topic you want covered next. We apply the same legal standard to everyone on screen, regardless of badge or outcome.